The mankind has ended the third millennium, but the new century has started again from political confrontations, wars, catastrophes. And now we are facing the planetary threat, the Third World War. Today, March 2023, we are the witnesses of defaults of 4 US banks within 1 week, collapses of stock exchange indices. This is the trigger of default, we can say. The cascading collapse of the political and financial world system, which is based on fiat currencies and unlimited issue of paper dollars. For your kind reference, this collapse of USA banks is the result of world system changes initiated by international Treasury Monetary One. Today, the world is on the eve of a new age of truth, bright spirit, goodness and creativity in financial wealth. The main wealth actor who is in charge for creating new financial architecture of the world is the sovereign international treasury called Monetary One. This is a board of sovereign international consumer cooperative like Great Russia, accredited by the United Nations. Monetary One, by the right of historical ownership of financial assets as the chief manager of spiritual accounts accumulated on the World Bank accounts of 189 countries, secured by a systemic banking gold reserve called XAU. As the press secretary of the Monetary One, I'm authorized to make a statement as follows. Monetary One is acting under the management of His Majesty, the Secretary General of Monetary One, the Grand Intendant of the Sovereign Order of Hospitallers, Alexander Nikolaevich Paramonov. Second, the Monetary One Sovereign International Treasury thus declares the establishment of the new historical World Bank called Sovereign Bank of the Order of the Hospitallers. The founders of this historical bank are Order of Hospitallers and the Sovereign International Treasury, Monetary One. The World Sovereign Bank of the Order of the Hospitallers, founded in Slovakia, Bratislava, and is considered the sole regulator of the world banking system, as a sole issuing bank, as the World Bank for lending to the national economies of the United Nations states, including the civil community of the USSR. The World Sovereign Bank of the Order of the Hospitallers is a single bank for crediting the national economies and operates a new monetary settlement center, is responsible for implementation of the peacekeeping mission, the prevention of world economic crisis and world war. The ideology and mission of the Hospitallers banks are global stability, changing the global monetary system, lending and financing majority of national economies, ecological and humanitarian projects on all continents and all peoples of the world. Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, please accept our sincere congratulations on this extraordinary event in the financial world and in the history of mankind.